As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.
a new friend. Alpha.
Wow!
Meet Alpha 1S, the interactive, programmable robot for every family.
What can he do? He can tell stories.
Cool.
Connect Alpha 1S to your iOS and Android devices with Bluetooth, and he can tell you a story.
The wizard changed the king into an ugly frog and cast him into the spooky swamp.
The 3D visual software makes them easy to program for beginners
Got it.
and advanced users.
Yeah, sure.
Use the RPP function to record,
Start position number 2.
position, and play back your Alpha's movements.
All right, do a push-up.
Which program are we doing, guys?
Let's try push-ups.
All right, let's do it.
Plus, you can upload your programs and download unlimited actions from the Alpha Actions
All right,
library.
you guys ready? Okay, get down. Keep your back straight like Alpha. Nice work, Brayden. Nice. You guys programmed this?
His energy-efficient, high-torque robotic servos mean Alpha 1S can keep going, even after you get tired.
Come on, you can do it. You want to try Kung Fu? Nice. A little higher.
Oh no,
Brother.
I'm gonna rip my pants. Oh.
Are you ready to get wrecked?
The easy-to-use app and finger-friendly design make Alpha 1S a safe and fun companion.
Da, 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 and da, da, da. Punch.
16 robotic servos give Alpha 1S the flexibility to really put on a show. Alpha 1S, the fun family robot.